Now here's how you can quickly add notes into Notion with an iPhone. So the way that it works is that the fastest way, which I found and I actually like to use, is that I'm going to add the icon of Notion to my home screen like this. So you can see it is right there. And if I want to just quickly add a new note in there, all I have to do is, without even opening up the app, is I'm just going to hold down on it, and I'm just going to not hold for so long, but I have the ability to switch to a new page. So click on new page. Right now I can just start typing that in. So that was pretty quick. Obviously, you then need to select where the page is going to be saved to. On this Notion, I don't really have many sections or folders or anything, but if I did, you would be able to choose right here where do you want to save it. But you can start the note very quickly just by holding down on the app and clicking on new page. Right, but you also have some widgets available with Notion, so you can check them out. So when you click on this and scroll through the Notion, you can see that there are some options, and essentially you can add a very specific page which you have ready as a widget, and you can tap on this and just start editing that page. So in case you want to get directly to one location, you can use widgets as well, which can be added on the home screen very easily, like this. Obviously, a different widget is going to work as well, but I'm just using this one an example. So I'm going to choose this page right here, or whatever page. You can see I don't even have anything, but you're going to choose something and you're going to get inside, right? So this is essentially how you can set it up and get inside of this specific page and start adding notes in there very quickly. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'm gonna see you later on in the next video.